How to add story highlights on Facebook. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Facebook app. Now on the bottom part, you'll see your menu. Tap on your menu and go to your profile. So here, if you scroll down, you'll see your featured photos or your story highlights here. What you want to do is to actually tap on the new icon there, and you have to choose the image that you want to tap on as story highlights. So make sure that you go here to your story section and you can see all the stories that you have posted. Then choose the story that you want to add to your story highlight and tap on next here. Then tap on your title there and then tap on done on the upper right. Now here, as you can see, you just have to wait for it to load. As you can see, you have successfully added a story highlights on Facebook. Now the other way is to go here to your story. You can see here my recent story. So on the upper part, you'll see a heart icon there. Tap on heart icon and you'll be able to add a story highlights on your Facebook. It depends if you want to just add it to your pre-made story highlights there, or you can add a new collection for that. Let's say add another collection and go for and tap on done. And if you go back here to your profile, let's just wait for it to load again. You have successfully added story highlights at Facebook, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.